Hello, everybody. I've got a little bit of a weird one today. I created these unique distortions and also created this weird solarized effect on top of my footage. And I'm going to share with you how I did that, how the project files work, because I'm going to be sharing those as well. So check out the link below if you're interested in downloading those project files. And this will be a little bit of a tutorial on how to use my project files. And I'll also quickly walk you through how I came up with this so you can recreate it yourself. All right, so here we are in the project file, and I'm going to quickly walk you through what's in here and then show you how to use it. Inside your main comp here, this is what you have. And I'm going to remove these two pieces of footage to keep the file size small for the project files, but I'll show you how to add this effect onto your footage if you like it as well. The first thing you see here in the main composition is my footage, and then there's the glitch plates. Double click on the glitch plate. In the glitch plate comp, there are 10 glitch effects that I've created, and you can change the glitch effect that's going on here in the background by simply hiding one of the glitch effects, and then adding another one to it. And yeah, there's some really crazy ones here. Like, it gets a little psychedelic and out of control. The last thing I'm going to touch on this glitch plate comp is, if you notice here in the blending mode, they're all set to hard light. And that's because if I move this back to normal, you'll see that the original footage has a gray background. And to eliminate that, all I do is go to the blending mode and set it to hard light. And if you want to get a different result, you can change the color of this solid to any other color, or change the black solid to another piece of footage or an image, and play around with this blending mode to any of these settings. You'll just get a different result, and that could be a fun thing to explore. Now, moving back to the main window here, you'll see that I have two pieces of footage. The first one you saw in the intro, and if I'm going through the second piece of footage, you're just seeing sort of a different flavor of what this effect can look like on a different piece of footage, and I'll play that for you right now. And yeah, that gets pretty wild, but I see this effect could be used in some music videos, and maybe you're only using it for a few frames or for a second or two. This composition is 10 seconds long, and that is how long the original glitch files are. And you can easily loop them because they're just kind of popping in and out every frame. It's kind of changing so fast that you wouldn't be able to tell that the loop is imperfect. Now, the second part to this effect is achieved by using the displacement map effect, and you find that in your effects panel, and you just type up displace, and under distort you'll find displacement map. Take it, drag it into your footage, and this is what I did with it. So when I click on footage number 2, which is up here, I'll turn this off so you can see what the original footage looks like, and this is what the displacement map does. Inside of displacement map layer, I just made sure it was set to the same layer as my footage. So footage number 2 right here, that's what I selected. Whatever your layer will be called, or whatever your video file will be called, that's what's going to show up here. And I set my channel to red for vertical displacement. And here's where I made the footage look pretty crazy, was changing the max vertical displacement to 3933. And by moving this, you'll just get a different result. And I'll show you that right now. We'll set it back to 0, the original footage. And as you kind of drag this lever, you'll just see that it's just morphing into this like weird solarized image that I was showing you earlier. All right, we're back here. So that's pretty much everything about the effect, really. I'm going to just show you how I'm going to package this and how it's going to work for anyone downloading it. In order to add your own footage, what I'm going to do here is just take footage number 2, and I'm going to pre-compose it, and I'm going to call this composition name add footage here. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to right-click on my footage 2, and I'm going to pre-compose that, hit OK. I'm going to change the name of it to add footage here. I'm going to get rid of this video file. And when you get this file, it'll pretty much look like this. And you just need to click on add footage. So you'll be able to go in here and change some of these values if you'd like. And when you double click on the add footage here and drag and drop any kind of video file into that window, and my project file is set to 1080p, and this video footage is 4K, so I'm just going to get the scale down to 50% and fit it in this window. And then when you go back into your main comp, the effect's been added. So pretty much all you need to do is just click here and add any kind of footage you want. We'll do it quickly to this one. And now click back into main, and you've got a completely different and new scene that you can render out. And I hope that's been fun, and I hope you guys use this and enjoy. See you next time.